Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use the guide trigger in Geometry Dash. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to add a simple enemy on Geometry Dash, which I'm going to place right here. And from there I'm going to add my guide trigger. So it's going to be on this page right here. Now there's two triggers that you want to add, which is going to be your touch trigger. So I'm going to add this static trigger in order to go through the guide option right here, which will then guide the camera into this specific enemy. Now, of course, you can add another effect like zoom, offset, and more, but to make things easier, I'm just going to set it to static. From there, I'm going to place my guide camera to this one, click on edit object, and of course, you can adjust this the way you want to. And from there, you then want to click on OK, click on edit group, and then I'm going to group this to 5. So let's click on OK. So let's then navigate through our touch trigger, which in our case, it's going to be static. Click on the edit object option. In here, the first thing that you want to do is to select something like the touch trigger, or if you're using a spawn trigger, it's okay to do so. From here, the target group or the target group ID is going to be our group ID for our guide trigger. So in our case, it's going to be group number 5. In here, I'm going to add something like smooth velocity and more. And for the easing, I'm going to add this effect right here. And so if we play out our level, it should go ahead and guide our camera to this specific guide trigger right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.